It's Nix with a K. Hey.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am au natural, as in the hair, not the makeup. I'm trying to do like a nude look for you guys, but yeah, this is my hair, no wig today, because I'm going to be talking to you guys about my treasure chest. Woo! If you've seen before, you know that I love a subscription box. So this one is for all my natural hair ladies. So let's start with why I got the box. So basically I subscribed to both boxes, so my glossy box and my treasure chest box, for before lockdown. Not before lockdown, actually during lockdown. So as soon as we were told to stay in the house, I thought, okay, this is now the time for me to start taking care of my natural hair, because not only has my edges all gone because of my beautiful daughter, yeah, pregnancy killed my hair. Some people thrive, their hair thrives through pregnancy. That was not me. My hair died during pregnancy, guys. It was not cute. And then just before pregnancy, I thought, oh yeah, let's perm my hair. So I'm trying to embrace this natural hair life, but it is expensive. It's so expensive. So I found treasure chest, thank God. Shout out to my sister, she put me on it. And yeah, so we're now 5 months strong. The difference, guys, has been phenomenal. Not only has my hair actually grown, when I got the box, I did a big chop. I will show you the picture. Ta-da! And then I decided, okay, cool, I'm going to really take care of my hair, look into different ways to try. So I've done some co-washing, I've done like full washes, shampoos, conditioners, protein packs, the lot. I've done it all with my box. So I haven't been to the hair shop. I've literally relied on this box every month to get me through. But yeah, I'll show you some pictures. We are no way there yet, but the progress in 5 months is phenomenal. So what I want to do today, guys, is show you what's in the box. What's in the box? Okay, it's feeling really heavy, guys. I actually haven't opened it, so I'm going to open it live on camera for you guys today. So every month it comes in this cute little box. Same box every month, very exciting. And then it comes with a description card. Cute says, cute. And so it then tells you about the products that you're gonna receive, and it gives you like a little breakdown of the ingredients. So I'll show you here, and then here, this is what's actually in the box, and then a little advert. Cute. So let's go. Amelia usually does this, but I'm doing it today on camera for you guys. Okay, and the great thing, can I just stress, about the treasure chest box is everything is full sizes. Full sizes. So for £20 plus postage, full sizes, and it's run by a black company. Woo! Yes. Support black businesses. Okay, so let's see what we've got today. Let's start with, so this is Aveda. If you know about Aveda, you know it's hella expensive. So with the Aveda, I've got the B Curl Enhancer. So that's the other thing I wanted to say about this box. So like I said, I ruined my hair perming it. I ruined my hair getting pregnant. My hair just was going through it, y'all. So basically, it has no curl pattern. I can't tell you I'm 4C, 5C, 10C, 1C, AC, DC. I don't know. I don't know what C I am. But what I will tell you is this box has helped me get some kind of curl definition thing going on. So, whoop, shout out to the treasure chest. Okay, so like I said, back to the Aveda. So we got the Aveda Curl Enhancer and full size. Love, love, love. Let's see what it smells like. You know, I like to smell some stuff. Delicious. And then, what have we got here? Tresemme. So we've got a whole little Tresemme collection action going on. I don't really tend to use Tresemme on my natural hair, but it's great for my wigs, y'all. Woo! Love it for my wigs. And the one that I've got is Luxurious Moisture. So it's 2 bottles, the shampoo and conditioner. Fantastic. So I'll be using these on my wigs. I will not be using these on my hair. And the Keratin Smooth serum. I've used this before. This bangs. Again, I'll probably be using this on my wigs, not on my own hair. Then what have we got here? Oh, some more Aveda. Love, love, loving the Aveda. So the Aveda, this is a leave-in conditioner. It's like a little spray. Let's smell it. Lovely. It smells good as well. So these I will definitely be using on my own hair. And these I'll be using for my wigs. So that's Aveda and some Tresemme. And then we've got the, I can never pronounce this, I'm just going to show you. I've used this before. It really does like give you kind of a curl style. So this is a jelly mask. I love, 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 love a mask. I love a face mask, a hair mask, a whatever mask, a foot mask. Give me a mask. I am here for the masks. So yeah, if I show you again, because I can't pronounce it. But yeah, I will be trying these. And guys, I got a face mask. Ow! Face mask, face mask, face mask. So, all of that is £20. I'm telling you now, the Aveda on its own would be £20. So I have already made my money back. Trust me, trust me, trust me, ladies. Treasure chest. I can never say it, but it's for the win. So if I go through the products again with you, or look at the little leaflet, we've got the Tresemme shampoo and conditioner. Then we've got the Umberto Giovanni curl jelly mask. I've used, like I said, the curl gel to like kind of do like a scrunch curl. Works a treat. Makes your hair a little bit dry, but does what it wants when you're like trying to get that look. And then the Aveda Replenish Leave-In Conditioner and Aveda Be Curly Curl Enhancer. So we've got some Tresemme Shine Oil. Like I said, I personally wouldn't be using it for my hair, but I'll be using it for my wigs. So my wigs will be flicking my hair back and forth. Yes. And then face mask, because you know I love a face mask. And Knit and Fab is defo the one. So it's a glycolic that thing there, that type of mask. I've used their cleansing wipes before and they really do the job. Shouldn't really be talking about skin today because I got this little bastard on my face, so can't be advocating for my lovely clear skin that I usually have. But face mask for the win, ladies. Get your face masks on. What I also am going to show you is all the products that I've got so far by my subscription. So like I said, I subscribed in April, so I've had 5 boxes, almost at 6 months, but the transformation in the thickness, the texture, the everything, even the length, guys, there is some length, even the length in the last, let's say, I don't even know, like I said, 5 months, yeah, the last 5 months. Yes, shout out to the treasure chest. So if you are lazy like me, you are not like into this whole natural hair, kumbaya, Erica Badu shit, and you just want something that's an easy, quick fix, trust me, the treasure chest, guys, is for the win. And like I said, you may not need every product, but the original reason why I got it, obviously I wanted to try sort out my hair, embrace this natural hair journey, but I also thought, okay, it will give me an opportunity to try new products, and then after a year I can say, okay, this one works for me, this one doesn't work for me. But having a daughter as well, and we definitely have different like curl patterns, don't know what they are, but they're different. The products that don't work for me tend to work on her hair, so it's like a 2-for-1 deal. It is brilliant, guys. Do it, do it, do it, do it. If you're thinking about it, do 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 it. Let me know how it goes. Please, I think you should subscribe. I highly, 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 highly recommend it. Okay guys, so please check me out on the socials. I'm on Instagram and Twitter. It's at itsnick_xo. Ta-da for you. And please, please, please subscribe. Turn your notifications on. Share with everyone who you think this could be helpful to. Get in the comments, let me know what else you want to hear. Let me know if you subscribe to the treasure chest box. Let me know how it goes. I want to know everything. Holler at your girl. I'm in a good mood today, guys. So I've got some energy. But yeah, let me know what you think. And